All right, watch out, left turner. Oh, good break, good break. Ooh, squeeze, 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 squeeze. Lost a little traction, not a big deal. Kept it up, know what I'm saying? That's what she said. Moving forward, so right here, orange stage. That's definitely not neutral. I don't think he's in neutral. You know, we're not going super fast. We got that speedo right there. You know, he's getting covered. He's getting ready. You know, he's doing his things. His orange stage maneuver. We're going into an intersection. It's green light. Yeah. I get it. We also have, you know, left turner, which is going to be the problem. And we also don't have a rock form mount, which you guys should get a rock form mount. The link is in the description. 25% off. You click that link, automatically applied. I love mine. Come on now. But that's not gonna be the issue here. We're moving forward. Boom. As soon as you see that, soon as you see this person doing this, little dumb, doing that turn, they're going to try to go because they don't want to get hit. Now, why did they go out in front of us? We could talk about intentional blindness all day. We could talk about motion-induced blindness. We could talk about just people not paying attention. They're white staged, okay? We're zoned in. We're in orange stage, so now we're zoned in. Plus, we're a little paranoid. We're covering those brakes. We're getting ready for emergency maneuvers, doing whatever it is we need to do. Lost recon, I will advertise. I got to pay the bills. We also have this right here. So we have a right turner. Got to be very careful with that. Left turner right here. This is just scary. So right here, that's when we start applying the brakes. Now, when I say, guys, you progressively brake pressure, you know, emergency maneuver, swerve, all these different things. When it comes to braking in this kind of situation, hopefully this person goes. Why did I say that? Because we're not trying to stop. We're just trying to slow down enough. Now, if this person doesn't go and they stop like right here, and all we did was slow down enough and then we can accelerate once they decide to stop, we're still golden. If we try to panic and slam the brakes going, let's say 40 miles an hour, can you stop from here? Let's redo this. Can you stop from here to here at 40 miles an hour? I don't know, probably not, but you could probably go down to 20. So let's at least tempt that. So now that we go down to 20, it's buying us some time. Time's going to buy you options. So when this person goes and we try to slow down enough, it's like, oh man, we're not going to stop in time. Well, you don't have to stop in time. Slow down enough, release those brakes, get yourself ready, and swerve. Get yourself out of there. That's the main thing. It's a yellow light. Hopefully nobody else is going. Found the escape path. Did a great job. So now we're looking back. Okay, fine. It's natural instinct. But make sure you look forward again. Because then now you have potential hazards in front of you. You don't know. You don't know if this person decided to say, hey, yo, nice bike. Boom. Runs out in here. You never know. D-nuts. Oh, donuts. Okay. I thought it said something different. So grab yourself a rock form case. I have a little pop socket adapter. I absolutely love it. This is a magnet right here. It keeps your phone nice and secure. A lot better than some of the other competitors. Anyways, they sponsor this channel, so make sure you check them out. Links in the description. Automatic discount when you click that link. I'll see you guys around.